Hello YouTube. So we have our system working fine, but it's a little bit boring, and we have hard-coded things here a lot. Question: can we export all these things from here, including H1 heading and navigation, so everything to base template in such a way that that base template will propagate through all individual pages, so it will basically substitute them. But if you have individual things on individual pages that you wanna specify, well, individually, if you need to show them, that those individual things will have priority over base template. So let's do that. Let's see how to fulfill those holes into base template. Now, to do that, I'm gonna steal a basic HTML skeleton somewhere from internet, and I will create base HTML page here. You can call it whatever, but base HTML is pretty much obvious. So let's just copy paste that plain HTML skeleton that we stole. Why not? It's a base. So yeah, the thing here is that we need to grab something from those individual pages that we wanna propagate all over the place. So in this case, let's just grab everything. Okay, and let's go to base, and now we will create default H1, default for all page, and default navigation. So what we need to do here is to use Django blocks, because if we don't, then we will get real results, or we will not have results at all. So these are like default stuff, and if we don't use Django block, let's see what will happen if I just refresh things here. But of course I need to, before that, to go to all individual pages, and I need to import basically that base HTML. So how to do that? We will use that thing URL, like when we were doing navigation. No, we need to extend this page based on base template. How to do that? Extends. What? Extends from base template. Base HTML. Don't forget single quotes, okay? Now, let's grab these things and let's copy them to individual pages. And now you will probably say, what? Sorry, where I was? Home, not home, about, yeah. So some people will say, why do I need to do this manually? Well, because we are creating simple website, and you will of course not in your big project do this manually. The script will do that for you. Which script? Well, that one that you're gonna write, because you will pull things from database automatically. So you will not type every time extends base HTML or something else 100 times for every page, because those pages will be dynamically generated based on end user requests. So based on end user request. Anyway, let's refresh our pages. Okay, so home, that's cool. About, that's cool. Contact, that's cool. So it's cool. We have normal functioning base template working. Okay, see? But here's the question: why it's that we have, when I click on about, I have heading. When I click on contact, I have heading. When I click on home, I have heading. We need to do these, to have these individual H1s here. So what's the issue? Well, the issue is that just a second, that you need to enclose these things into blocks. Okay, so why into blocks? Because then you can use that general template all over the place, but you can also change individual particles into your Django blocks if you need it, when you need it, and then our H1 will be activated. So don't fret, just let's do this here. So how to create blocks? Django blocks, block, and that's standard, and after that name of our block, content. Now after we open that big part of our actual content, generic content, we need to close our blocks. and block. So what is the analogy here? The analogy is see how we have opening title and closing title in HTML. In Django, when you're doing this thing dynamically, you are opening Django. What's the term here? I don't know. You need to open things here and you need to close it. So same analogy as HTML text here. You need to open it, you need to close it. You need to open it, you need to close it. And of course, in between, you can have many of other Django blocks. Why? Because you maybe want to operate on those individual particles, on individual blocks into individual templates. Dynamically, of course, because that's easy over time. You will learn that. How to create block. So these are standard, and block is standard, and name of heading in this case will be I don't know, head, something like that. And of course we need to close it. It's principle, so you must follow it. And block. See, so you need to have end block here and end block here. Why? Because this end block is for this starting block and this end block is for this starting block. Now it's cool. Now it's cool. Let's go to our individual pages and let's see what's happening. So again, the same problem. Why? Why is that so? See, we are having hard-coded H1 here, and that's not good. So that means when you're shifted to Django, doing things Django way here, you must follow it from the start to the beginning. That means no more hard-coding stuff. Okay, and now actually let's delete all these H1s, and what I was doing in a base, default heading, yes, and then that will propagate through all over the place. Default heading or anything generic here can be. Generic stuff that will populate all those places into individual pages if they are not defined there. Now check this out, okay? Default heading for home, fine, that works. For about, same stuff. For contact, same stuff. So we have everything in a base template propagated to all other pages, and in those individual pages we just have one line. So here's the question: how to change that H1 heading to individual things here? Well, the thing is really simple. It's almost the same. To save ourselves a little bit of time, I will just copy this to all other pages. Home. Now, no hard coding here, no pure HTML here. Check this out. HTML must be into blocks. So this will be for, yeah, home, and for contacts this will be for contacts, and you're guessing what's gonna happen. Contacts, and for about also, oops, sorry, need to grab it again. Something is happening with my fingers. Where I was about, in about, yeah. So how is this even possible? I'm not pressing things, okay, Ctrl C. Something is happening with my keyboard. Okay, about. So that's it. Now we have everything into individual pages, following the rule that when we are using Django template from start to end in a base template, we also must follow that principle into individual pages. We cannot mix hard-coded stuff and dynamic stuff. It's not how to get the job done. Anyway, I think that we are cool now, so let's refresh. We are on contact, okay, that's cool. About, that's cool. And home, that's cool. So that thing works. So let's explain once more what we have done here. We got from internet base HTML skeleton. Okay, the meta and title, that's not important right now. Now, when you're doing things Django way, you need to use Django blocks. You need to open block, you need to close block. This big block, which is name in this case is content. Then you will put individual things here. Okay, for H1 different block, for paragraphs different block, for navigation different block. Why? Because then that means that you can change them if you need it into individual pages. And we will also continue with this tutorial in doing paragraphs and things with title, and we will specify navigation a little bit more in the next tutorial, but 10 minutes is way too much. Anyway, let's go to rendering basically and see you next tutorial.